will talk about how can you fix this problem on your Wallapop app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just go down here. So you keep going down, then you click here on apps, then you come to apps list here, and here can you looking for Wallapop app. So or just click here on this search, then here add Wallapop here. So then you just click on it here, then you come to this list. So then you click here on force stop, and you click here on OK, then you go down, click here on storage, then you just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.